Alright, so I had a company send me some hood struts for my vehicle, 2017 Ford Fusion. This will work for the 2013 to 2020 Ford Fusion. I don't know if you guys are interested in buying one of these. I can add a link in the description, in the description for you. So pretty much cut and dry, pretty simple. You got your two struts, your bolts, and your little brackets there. Only tools you'll need is a 10mm, a 12, and a 13 to do this on there. And with the package, it comes with a little instruction manual. Took me a little bit to kind of see what they're trying to talk about. What do you remove on it? But basically, it just shows, please remove the original bolt from A and B, then install the bracket. So I assume I already have struts in my car, but I believe I'm just going to use the same mounting place that this is at, and that is. So I'll go ahead and remove it, and I'll show you in the process of adding his struts. So if you don't have struts in yours, you just got a regular hood prop on it. What you want to do, a 10mm bolt. You'll have a same type of bolt like that, but you want to take the one off of here, the one furthest or the closest to the fender. So that one there, and that one over there on the driver's side. Alright, so I got the old one off. I'll put on the new one, and from what it looks like, get you a little mounting bracket, face it like that. You'll have I believe it was a 13mm. I'll put that into the hole there. Alright, so I got that one installed. Now it wants you to take this little fella. What you want to do is feed it underneath. You're supposed to use the washer to somehow sandwich it in to hold it into place. Alright, so it should look something like that. The thing I don't like about this for the seller, don't know if he's going to watch this or not, but this washer don't seem like it's big enough, because it's only really being held in by the top point and the bottom point. You got a little bit on the side, but the washer's just not really big enough in my opinion. I like my old one set up that looks like that, so you got more of a biting room on the actual hood instead of just a flat washer that pretty much kind of keeps it from going in and out. So now time for installment of the strut. There's no really indication on which way it goes, but I'm gonna follow the picture on it. So it looks like the bigger part of it is on the hood itself. The smaller shaft part goes towards the shock, so it would mount just like that. Alrighty, so now I got it on. See, it was kind of weird. I put the bottom one in first, but I couldn't get the top one into place, so I had the top one just would not push in for the life of me. So what I ended up doing, pop the bottom one back off the ball joint, get that one pushed in, but I noticed that this arm would be more up towards the windshield, like it wasn't fitting right. So you kind of have to pull and get it to push into its bracket there, which I was thinking that it's gonna break if I go to pull that way, or bend the hood piece on there, but I got it to take it into place, and it seems like it works. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. Kind of notice too, when you go to open it, you can tell that this one here seems to be a little bit stronger than that one, but of course this old one I've had for 30 years, I would say. So I'm sure this older one's getting a little weak. I don't know if that's anything, or it's got a little bit of a play to it. That's something that kind of makes me wonder. But if you guys want to add some cheap little struts that you want on your Fusion, I'll put the link down in the description. Thanks for watching.